You think Toyota is the pinnacle of reliability? The king with no rivals on every road? Prepare yourselves. Today, we will unveil the secrets of four giants in the automotive world, those who dare to challenge and even surpass Toyota in their own backyard. Can you believe it? The last name will definitely make your jaw drop. Let's dive in right away. Undeniably, Toyota has built an empire based on a solid foundation of durability. But in the competitive world of cars, challengers always emerge. Let's explore each of these contenders together. First on the list, we have Lexus, Toyota's luxurious sibling. Many people think Lexus is simply an upgraded version of Toyota. But is their reliability really that different? Reality proves that Lexus not only inherits but also elevates Toyota's core values of durability to a new level. According to J.D. Power's 2024 Vehicle Dependability Study, Lexus led the way with only 135 problems per 100 vehicles, compared to Toyota's 147. Not stopping there, Lexus also asserts its position in the luxury car market in terms of resale value. Kelley Blue Book has named Lexus the best luxury brand for resale value in 2025. This shows that Lexus is not only durable but also a wise investment choice. The dealership experience at Lexus is also a major plus. Customers consistently praise the attentive and professional customer service, helping Lexus achieve an impressive score of 900 out of 1,000 in dealership experience surveys. However, it's also important to look at it objectively. Lexus's maintenance costs, while still reasonable compared to other luxury cars, around $550 per year according to RepairPal, are still higher than Toyota's, around $440 per year. The premium materials and advanced technology in Lexus can also lead to higher repair costs in the future. In terms of performance, Lexus often offers a smoother and more luxurious ride, along with slightly more power than Toyota. But if you prioritize sporty handling or practicality with a low cost, some Toyota models like the Corolla hatchback or GR86 might be more suitable. But overall, Lexus is an attractive option for those seeking Toyota-level durability but with added luxury, a better warranty, 4 years per 50,000 miles compared to Toyota's 3 years per 36,000 miles, and top-notch customer service. Can Lexus really dethrone Toyota? Perhaps the answer depends on whether you prioritize practicality or sophistication. Next, we come to Subaru, a brand famous for its ability to conquer all terrains and its incredible durability in all weather conditions. Have you ever felt like your car is a tank, ready to face any challenge? If not, try experiencing a Subaru. Subaru's special feature lies in its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which comes standard on every model. Imagine driving a Toyota RAV4 on an icy road. You'll still be able to move. But with the Subaru Forester or Outback, you'll feel a clear difference in traction and confidence when driving. The secret lies in Subaru's unique boxer engine. This engine has a horizontally opposed design, which lowers the car's center of gravity, providing superior balance and stability. This is especially helpful when you need to make sharp turns on slippery roads. In terms of safety, Subaru is also one of the leading brands. Since 2013, Subaru has earned 71 Top Safety Pick Plus awards from the IIHS, more than any other automaker, including Toyota. Every new Subaru comes equipped with the EyeSight safety system with features like adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and lane keep assist. However, Subaru's maintenance costs, around $620 per year, are slightly higher than Toyota's, $340 per year. The all-wheel drive system and boxer engine require careful regular maintenance. In return, Subaru has achieved the highest overall reliability rating from Consumer Reports with 68 points, surpassing Toyota with 62 points. Additionally, Subaru has recently overtaken Toyota in resale value according to Kelley Blue Book's assessment. Subaru doesn't chase flashy technology, but focuses on core values: good visibility, top-notch safety, and proven durability. This consistency has earned Subaru a remarkably loyal customer base. Do you believe that a car can have both attractive design and exciting driving while still beating Toyota in reliability? Let's get to know Mazda. Mazda has quietly become one of the most impressive rising stars in the automotive industry. While Toyota is considered the gold standard for reliability, Mazda surprisingly surpassed Toyota in Consumer Reports' reliability rankings in 2021, scoring 83 points compared to Toyota's 74. J.D. Power also gave the Mazda CX-5 a high reliability rating of 82 points, calling it great. Mazda's secret to durability lies in their focus on proven techniques and the development of skyactiv technology. Instead of chasing complex technologies, Mazda keeps their engines simple yet efficient, delivering impressive fuel efficiency and fewer serious mechanical problems. Mazda's average annual repair cost is around $462, not much different from Toyota's $441. Notably, Mazda experiences fewer serious issues, only about 10% compared to Toyota's 12%. Beyond the numbers, Mazda also makes a strong impression with its design and driving feel. Mazda's interiors are meticulously designed with high-quality materials, providing a more luxurious feel than many Toyota models. In terms of driving experience, Mazda is famous for its Zoom Zoom slogan, delivering a sporty and exciting driving feel that Toyota often can't match, except for special models like the GR86 or Supra. However, Toyota still has advantages in resale value and a wider dealer network. Toyota also continues to lead in overall safety ratings thanks to the widespread adoption of advanced safety features. But Mazda has proven that you can absolutely own a car that is as durable as a Toyota while also offering exciting driving and attractive design. And finally, but no less important, it's Tesla. Many of you probably guessed this name. Can Tesla, an outsider in the traditional automotive industry, surpass a durability icon like Toyota? Tesla doesn't just sell electric cars. They are selling a vision for the future of transportation. Tesla alone has changed the way we view electric cars. The Tesla Model Y even became the world's best-selling car in 2023, surpassing both the Toyota RAV4 and Corolla. However, when it comes to initial reliability, Toyota still has the upper hand. Consumer Reports ranked Tesla 17th out of 22 brands in 2024, while Toyota consistently ranks in the top 5. But the interesting thing is that despite some initial build quality issues, Tesla has an extremely high owner satisfaction rate. Why? Because the experience of driving a Tesla is completely different. The impressive acceleration, quiet electric motors, and continuous over-the-air (OTA) software updates provide a completely new feeling. Tesla's running costs are also significantly lower than Toyota's gasoline cars. However, Tesla's resale value isn't as high as Toyota's. But Tesla is constantly improving its production quality and closing the gap in reliability with Toyota. So, will you choose Toyota's proven durability or Tesla's promising innovation? We've witnessed 4 potential usurpers, each brand bringing its own unique color and strengths to compete with the giant Toyota. Lexus with its sophisticated luxury and reliability. Subaru strong and durable on all terrains. Mazda combining driving passion with surprising durability. And Tesla, the pioneer redefining the future of the electric automotive industry. Is there a true usurper? The answer is probably not that simple. Each brand has its own advantages and disadvantages. The final choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. But one thing is certain, this competition will drive manufacturers to continuously improve, bringing increasingly better, more durable, and more exciting cars to consumers. So, what do you think about these 4 potential usurpers? Which brand surprised you the most? Share your opinions in the comments section below. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss other fascinating content about the automotive world. And don't miss our next video, where we will explore the secrets to keeping your car durable and saving you money. Click here to watch it now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.